Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification to get my frequent updates. Okay, this is a channel where we talk about the top stocks. One of the top stocks today was Sofi Technologies. Sofi Technologies was up 4.70 on the day. And also after hours, it was up another 1.55%. So this is on the heels of the news that Joe Biden has approved of student loan debt forgiveness of up to $20,000. Here it is, Joe Biden. Student loan forgiveness means for taxes. Okay, so that was the news. If you got a Pell Grant, you get up to $20,000 student loan forgiveness. And if you took out student loans, you get up to $10,000 without a Pell Grant. Okay, so that's good news. Joe Biden putting money back into many debt-ridden students who have a little over $50,000 to $100,000 in debt. Joe Biden making clear on one of his promises. Now, this allows SoFi to put it back on their books that they will start collecting for student loans in January. So that's the news. Student loan. SoFi holds a lot of student loan debt, and this means that the student loan repayments start in January. Okay, so that is the news. Check that out. SoFi is a buy as Biden forgives student loans, and now we know how much student loan debt they won't get paid. But a big part of SoFi Technologies is its student loan revenue. Okay, so that's been off the books for the last 2 years, and now with student loan repayment resuming in January 2023, and we know that they're only going to get forgiven $10,000 or even $20,000. Now we know that it's not like they're going to lose a bunch of revenue due to student loan forgiveness by the government. Okay. So SoFi Technologies was up 6% in total. And then the second stock we had that was top performed was ChargePoint. ChargePoint was up 6.97% on the day. Again, this is on the heels of tomorrow Tesla will stock split. ChargePoint Holdings is basically the charging station for many EV cars. And tomorrow Tesla will stock split as well. So this is the good news. Again, ChargePoint has been trading in the range of $10 to $15. So if we look over the last month, the stock is up over 14%. Now, if we look at the last 6 months, the stock is basically flat, okay? Basically trading around $15. Then it's come down as low as $9 back in May. And since has rebounded all the way up to 18 at its high point and back down to $15. So essentially it's been flat for the last 6 months, but there's been so many opportunities to buy into this. Okay, ChargePoint will be probably the number 2, number 3 charging station behind Blink maybe, or behind EVgo. Okay, so there's only a couple major charging station stocks out there: Blink, EVgo, and a few others. So check them out. Get your position now as this EV revolution starts to explode. Okay, so those were the 2 top stocks today. ChargePoint up 6.97%, and SoFi up 6% on the day. Now they were up a little higher earlier in the day, but that's near here nor there. They both were up on the day. Now let's take a quicker look at the broader portfolio in the Robinhood, and we'll see that it was up 1.03%. A few stocks did take off. We did see Shopify up 2.89%. Also, we had Airbnb up 2.71%. Affirm, the fintech company, was up 3.72%. As I mentioned, ChargePoint was up overall 8.45%. Tesla, which will split tomorrow, was up slightly 0.3%. Let's see, COP, ConocoPhillips, the oil stock, is up 1.84%. Now look at this. This stock has been down but back up. So there's been so much opportunity. Again, it's up over 23% over the last month. Okay, ConocoPhillips has rebounded from a low of $91, and now is back up to $110. So there it is, ConocoPhillips rebounding a lot. Great stock to be in. I'm up over 100% over the year. So I cannot complain, okay? Because I bought mine shares last year in 2021, and I just held, okay? So kudos to all those who are in ConocoPhillips again. Great stock over the last month, up 23%, okay? So let's take a quick look at the news. What else do we have here? Amazon to wind down its healthcare service for business. Space cell phones. Elon Musk SpaceX is teaming up with wireless carrier on Earth. So isn't that cool? So it's possible that you'll be able to make a call from space. Wow, that's powerful. Okay, that's SpaceX. Now they're not public yet, but SpaceX is one of Elon Musk's companies. Salesforce cuts annual revenue forecast. Okay, they had an earnings call, I believe, today. Apple schedules September 7th. Event expect to mark iPhone 14 debut. Okay, the new iPhone 14 to come out. Bank of America has announced that it's been increasing its dividend to 22 cents. Okay, shares of Bank of America up 0.26%. And just really quickly, Nvidia did have earnings call. They looks like they missed Q3, so that's Jason Ong there. Said the gaming conditions are challenging. Q3 forecast misses. Nvidia reported second quarter earnings that missed Wall Street expectation for revenue and earnings per share. The disappointing report is in line with Nvidia's preliminary earnings reported 2 weeks ago. So Nvidia did miss its earnings and Wall Street expectations. Nvidia said that miss was because of lower sales of gaming products, which we knew about, which are primary graphic cards for PCs, which are facing challenging market conditions, okay? I'm not worried about Nvidia being down. I still believe Nvidia still is very powerful, has several verticals it's in, whether it's the autonomous driving or the metaverse or what they call the omniverse. I still think Nvidia is a great buy. Okay, so you can check out more news on CNBC about Nvidia and the challenges it's faced. And also, I'll leave the link below for the earnings call below. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Okay, finally, in my other portfolio, we were up slightly 0.88%, a little lower than the Robinhood, up for a total of $354. Again, we talked about it already. Sofi Technologies, the top stock, up 6%. Second place was ChargePoint, up 7.25%. And also Okta, the cloud maker software, was up 4%. So good news in the marketplace. Again, tomorrow, Tesla will split its stock. Right now, trading at $892. And tomorrow, roughly be trading at $288 per share. Okay, so that's good news. Tesla stock split will happen tomorrow overnight. And pretty much, you know, if you want to buy some Tesla stock, it'll be a lot cheaper tomorrow. So that is the news. Again, the top stock of the day is Sofi Technologies, off the heels of Joe Biden, debt forgiveness for students, with student loan repayments resuming in January. That will be good news for SoFi Technologies. The stock was up 6.32%. And also the EV maker ChargePoint was up 7.25%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get started in your investment journey today, please use my Robinhood link below. And everybody have a good week.